Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Dylan Rieger, and today we're looking at a stock presentation from Jeff Siegel. In this presentation, he claims a new class of medicine can make you a fortune. He has 3 stocks he wants you to invest in, which he calls EN-23 stocks, and he believes these stocks can get you triple-digit gains. The only problem is he wants you to give him $299 to reveal the name of the stocks, but I have good news. He left enough clues in this presentation to figure out the name of all 3 stocks, and I reveal them for completely free in this video. So all you have to do is watch all the way through, and you won't have to give Jeff $299 to learn the name of the stocks he's pitching. Let's get started.
Before I reveal the stocks in the presentation, I want to break down the teaser and explain what Jeff is talking about. Jeff claims a new class of medicine is turning traditional medicine on its head, especially when it comes to treating depression, anxiety, PTSD, and addiction. According to Jeff, traditional medicines only have a 30% success rate when it comes to these issues. But this new class of medicine could potentially treat an almost endless number of diseases with 60% to 100% effectiveness with just a single dose. And the bigwigs are all taking notice and starting to invest in EN-23 medicines. This includes Kevin O'Leary of Shark Tank, legendary businessman Peter Thiel, and OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. And according to Jeff, Elon Musk has gone on record saying that EN-23 may actually be better than commonly used drugs such as SSRIs, which are often prescribed to treat depression. So what exactly is EN-23 medicine? When Jeff says the phrase, he is really talking about psychedelics. Psychedelic medicine involves using substances like psilocybin, MDMA, and LSD for therapeutic purposes, aiming to treat mental health conditions such as depression, PTSD, and anxiety. These substances have the ability to alter perception, mood, and cognitive processes. Over recent years, psychedelic medicine has gained mainstream acceptance due to several key factors. Scientific research has played a significant role, with studies from reputable institutions demonstrating the efficacy and safety of psychedelics when used in controlled therapeutic settings. This growing body of evidence has helped to legitimize their use in medicine. Additionally, changes in legal frameworks in some regions have facilitated the decriminalization or legalization of certain psychedelics for medical purposes, making it easier for researchers and clinicians to explore their potential. Moreover, increased public awareness has been pivotal. Media coverage and advocacy from influential public figures have helped to shift public perception and highlight the benefits of psychedelics, contributing to their growing acceptance in mainstream medicine. I'm going to reveal the EN-23 stocks in the next section, but before I do that, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out Insider Newsletter. I've reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and Insider Newsletter gets the best returns. And for a limited time, it's only $1 to try. The first EN-23 stock Jeff is pitching is MindMed. Mind Medicine, trading under the ticker MNMD on NASDAQ, is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing novel products to treat brain health disorders. The company's current market cap stands at approximately $659 million, reflecting a significant increase over the past year. The company is advancing its lead candidate MM120 for the treatment of generalized anxiety disorder. Recently, MindMed presented positive Phase 2b study results at the American Psychiatric Association annual meeting, which showed promising efficacy and safety profiles. This has bolstered investor confidence, with several analysts rating the stock as a strong buy and predicting substantial price increases. The average 12-month price target from analysts is around $23, with high estimates reaching up to $36, indicating a potential upside of over 167% from its current price of approximately $8.80. Financially, MindMed reported a substantial cash position of $252 million as of March 31, 2024, which is expected to support operations into 2026. The company has been increasing its R&D efforts, though it reported a slight decrease in R&D expenses in the first quarter of 2024 compared to the previous year. General and administrative expenses, however, saw an increase, mainly due to higher stock-based compensation and personnel costs. Despite these positive developments, MindMed faces significant challenges. The company reported a net loss of $54 million for the first quarter of 2024, a marked increase from $24.8 million in the same quarter the previous year, largely due to changes in the fair value of financing warrants. Additionally, the stock remains volatile with a high beta of 2.72, indicating substantial market risk. Overall, MindMed appears well-positioned to advance its clinical programs and potentially achieve commercial success with MM120, though investors should remain cautious of the inherent risks and financial volatility associated with clinical-stage biopharmaceutical companies. The second EN-23 stock Jeff is pitching is Atai Life Sciences, Atai Life Sciences is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing innovative treatments for mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and addiction. The company's diverse pipeline includes several promising candidates such as COMP360, psilocybin, currently in phase 3 trials, and others in phase 2A and 2B studies. Financially, Atai Life Sciences is positioned with a market cap of approximately $281 million and a strong cash position. As of their latest reporting, the company maintains a current ratio of 7.83, indicating substantial liquidity to support its ongoing operations and research activities. Despite this, the company has faced significant losses, with a return on equity of negative 43% and return on assets of negative 36%. Analysts are optimistic about Atai's future, with a consensus rating of strong buy from multiple analysts. The average 12-month price target is $12, with estimates ranging from $6 to $15, suggesting a significant potential upside from the current stock price of around $1.68. This optimism is driven by the promising results from various clinical trials and the company's strategic investments and partnerships, such as their stake in Beckley Psytech, which has shown positive initial results in treating resistant depression. Atai's financials for the first quarter of 2024 showed revenues of $255,000, a decrease from the previous year, with a net loss that reflects the high costs of their extensive R&D programs. Nonetheless, the company's strong cash reserves and strategic focus on groundbreaking treatments provide a foundation for potential growth as their products advance through clinical trials. Overall, Atai Life Sciences is a high-risk, high-reward investment. The last stock being pitched by Jeff is Siben. Siben key products in development include CYB003, a deuterated psilocybin analog for major depressive disorder and alcohol use disorder, and CYB004, a deuterated dimethyltryptamine for generalized anxiety disorder. CYB003 has received breakthrough therapy designation from the FDA, underscoring its potential in treating major depressive disorder. Financially, Siben's position reflects the high-risk, high-reward nature of early-stage biotech companies. The company has a market cap of approximately $142 million and maintains a solid liquidity position with a current ratio of 5.76 and $28 million in cash. Despite this, Siben reported a net loss of around $53 million in the last fiscal year, with significant negative returns on equity and assets, indicating the substantial costs associated with its R&D efforts. Analysts are bullish on Siben, with a consensus strong buy rating from 5 analysts and a 12-month average price target of $4, implying a potential upside of over 1,000% from the current stock price of around 35 cents. This optimism is driven by the company's robust pipeline and the promising results from ongoing clinical trials. Overall, while Siben holds significant promise with its innovative approach to mental health treatment, potential investors should be mindful of the inherent risks and financial volatility associated with its current stage of development. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Insider Newsletter. I've reviewed hundreds of stock picking newsletters, and Insider Newsletter performs the best by far. On top of this, it's only $1 to try. So again, click the link in the description to check out this newsletter.